Are we born who we are, or do we become that way through experience? This question, the nature versus nurture debate, has captivated thinkers for centuries. Nature refers to our innate qualities, our genetic inheritance. It encompasses our temperament, predispositions, and talents. Nurture, on the other hand, encompasses all environmental influences. This includes our upbringing, culture, and social interactions. It shapes our values, beliefs, and behaviors. The debate centers on the relative contributions of these two forces. Do our genes dictate our destiny, or does the environment mold us into who we are? The answer, as with most complex questions, is not black and white. It's a nuanced interplay of both. However, understanding the individual roles of nature and nurture is crucial. It can inform our approaches to education, social policy, and even personal development. It helps us understand the roots of behavior, both positive and negative. Ultimately, it leads us toward a more complete picture of what makes us human. The profound influence of environment on human development is undeniable. Children raised in loving, supportive homes tend to thrive. They often exhibit greater emotional stability and social competence. Conversely, those raised in neglectful or abusive environments may face developmental challenges. These can manifest as behavioral problems, learning difficulties, or mental health issues. Cultural norms and societal expectations also wield considerable influence. They shape our values, beliefs, and behaviors. For example, societies that prioritize collectivism foster a strong sense of community and interdependence. In contrast, individualistic societies emphasize personal achievement and self-reliance. These cultural differences can lead to variations in communication styles, social interactions, and even cognitive processes. While environment plays a crucial role, our genes provide the foundational blueprint for who we are. Behavioral genetics examines the role of genetics in shaping our behavior. Studies of twins and adopted children reveal that many personality traits, such as extroversion and neuroticism, have a heritable component. Neuroscience provides further evidence for the biological basis of behavior. Our brains are wired in specific ways that influence our thoughts, emotions, and actions. For example, variations in neurotransmitter levels can affect mood, attention, and impulsivity. Epigenetics adds another layer of complexity. It explores how environmental factors can actually alter gene expression. This means that our experiences can leave lasting marks on our biology, influencing our health and behavior for years to come. Bullying, a complex social phenomenon, exemplifies the interplay of nature and nurture. While some individuals might have genetic predispositions that make them more likely to exhibit aggressive behavior, environmental factors play a significant role in shaping bullying behavior. Children who witness violence at home, for instance, are more likely to become bullies or victims themselves. This highlights the powerful influence of social learning. Furthermore, school environments that lack clear rules against bullying or that fail to foster a culture of empathy and respect can inadvertently contribute to the problem. Addressing bullying effectively requires a multi-pronged approach. This includes creating supportive school environments, promoting positive social skills, and addressing individual factors that may contribute to aggressive behavior. The nature versus nurture debate is not an either-or proposition. It's a complex interplay of both forces. Our genes provide the foundation, but our environment shapes the architecture. Genes might predispose someone to a particular trait, but environment determines whether and how that trait is expressed. For example, a child might be genetically predisposed to musical talent. However, without access to musical instruments or a nurturing environment that encourages their passion, that talent might remain dormant. Similarly, someone might be genetically predisposed to anxiety, but a supportive upbringing and coping mechanisms can mitigate its impact. The nature versus nurture debate has far-reaching implications. Understanding the interplay of genes and environment is crucial for addressing social issues. It can help us develop more effective interventions for problems like bullying, discrimination, and crime. For instance, recognizing the role of environmental factors in shaping aggressive behavior can lead to programs that foster empathy and conflict resolution skills in schools and communities. Moreover, acknowledging the influence of both nature and nurture can promote tolerance and understanding. It reminds us that people are shaped by a complex interplay of factors, many of which are beyond their control. This understanding can foster greater empathy and compassion, paving the way for a more just and equitable society.